Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are organizing and cleaning a playroom. It is so needed. And how does it just get out a mess overnight? So we're gonna do some rearranging and set things up differently. I hope you like this video. So here's sort of a look at the before. So as you remember, the bed was here for naps, although Angel had napped maybe 3 times down here. He prefers to nap upstairs. We have our ABCs, our normal play mats, which used to have his play table, his zoo play table on it. I've moved it out. And then when we went to the open house where the lady was selling everything from her 3-year-old, we bought the whole VTech race car set that he wants, or that he wanted. And it is everywhere. So the first thing we're gonna do is clear the bed out, clean everything, rearrange everything so he has better access and better playability with it, and let you see the after. And wouldn't you know it, just as we're about to put the playroom back together, my camera dies. And here's the finished. It only took an hour and a half to figure out how to finish it. We have some extra tiles left over. I might donate those to a friend. So, yeah, so here is the finished. So then I just brought his zoo table upstairs for him to play with up here. He still has his play mat up here, which he still loves. And then his bookcase, so which houses the toys that he keeps bringing up from downstairs when we come up. So yeah, I'm super happy with the new organization. Having the books up here, which he brings up almost every day anyway while we're going to bed at night, because he loves to read at least 3 to 4 books before we go to bed each night. So it's nice having the books up here instead of him saying book, 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 and then all the books we have up here are not good enough. So we go downstairs, we find the book he wants to read, we bring it up. Almost all the books ended up here anyway, so it's just nice that I just brought them all up. Anyway, so I hope you liked this video. We had a great time cleaning, organizing. This kid has a lot of toys. Maybe we should cancel our trip to the US. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on our next adventure. Bye!